Hi, good afternoon. My name is Eric, and I come from a Vertical Fiber technology company. Today, I want to introduce how to use our new OTDR. The model number is 980 REV. REV means revolution, so it is a new revolutionary OTDR. It is with multi-functions. It can test both the optical fibers and the Ethernet cables. Okay, let's open the package. USB disk, USB cable, disk, power charger, warranty card, calibration certificate, a user manual, and the Ethernet cable signal detector. This is for detector in signals in the Ethernet cable. And this is the main host of the OTDR. When you use the OTDR, you may be take off the protection film. Okay, now let's open and turn on the OTDR. It takes only about 2 seconds to turn it on. As I see, it is a it is with multi functions: OTDR, event map, optical power meter, VFL, laser source, or sometimes we call it lighter source. This function is for Ethernet. It can test the Ethernet cable's length and track signals in Ethernet, and the cable's sequence. Anyway, I will try one by one in the video. Okay, the most important is the OTDR. Let's turn on the cap. This is the OTDR port. Now it is with the FC connector, but you also change to ST or LC connectors. It is very easy. Just unscrew and screw it again. This one is the VFL port, and this one is the optical power meter port. And the lighter source port share the same port with OTDR. So this one is also a laser source port. And here is a LED light. Sometimes maybe in the night you can use the LED light. It is very easy to turn on the LED. Just press this button, the LED light, and turn on again. It will turn off. Okay, now I try to test the optical fibers. I have 2 fiber reels. One is the small one is around 1 kilometers, and the large one is about 40 kilometers. And I linked them together with a SC connector, as you can see. Okay, and I find the connectors. Okay, here. I will link the FC connectors to my OTDR. Okay. And I now press okay to go into the OTDR module. maybe sometimes we need to go to the setting page. The OTDR supports 3 testing modes. The first one is average test. The second one is real time, and the third one is auto test. Most times, customer just use the auto test, so we select the auto test. Once we select the auto test, we do not need to do anything, and now we just press F1. We just press F1 to start the test. Let's try now. I set the time to 15 minutes, to 15 seconds, but you also can set the time to 5 seconds. No much difference. Okay, we have got the test result, and you also can see there are two span of the cable length. One is this one, this small one. It is around 1 kilometer, and the second one is about 40 kilometers. So the totally here is the totally is about 41 kilometers. And the most important for the OTDR is that we can enlarge the testing the OTDR curves. Just press this button, and now you can use the navigation buttons. Okay, this is the first event. Here we can see it clearly. We also can shift the OTDR curves with the navigation buttons. You may try. It is very useful sometimes. Okay. After the test, we maybe want to save it and print the test out result. Print out the test result. So we can use the save F3 to save the test result. When we press F3, we can save it directly, or we can rename it. Now I want to import first fiber. So the first word is F I R S T fiber FIB ER. So we input the first fiber with, and now we press the enter button to save it. Okay, it has been saved. Now we can use this file F4 button to call out the testing results we have made. Yesterday and today I have made some test OTDR curves. Here, this one was made by yesterday, so I now press the OK button. Okay, we can see it clearly. And now let's go back. This button, go back, and try this event map function. We can call out the OTDR curves we tested just now. This one first fiber. Okay, we can see there is a map and some images to help users understand each event clearly. And also, we can test in this event map directly. We just press tester button. This tester button. It will make a new test in the page and do not go to the OTDR module. This page is very useful for a new engineer who want to test a OTDR fiber. If you can see the words clearly on the video, it says testing in progress. Please wait. Okay, now we have finished the test. You can see the test result is the same as just now we met in the OTDR module. Okay. Also, you can save or call out the files we made. So when you go to the OTDR, you can try. It is very good. And here is the optical power meter function. The OTDR support many wavelength selections. You can press F1 to change the wavelength. When you test the power level, please do not forget to change the connector to the optical power meter port. It supports both the single mode and multi-mode fiber. Also, we have the reference and the reference to zero functions. It is a very professional tool of the power meter. Okay, this one is VFL. It supports both 1Hz or 2Hz or normal. Normal is the continuous wave, continuous shine out. Press 1. 1 second 1 time. 1 second 2 time. And stop here. And this one is the laser source or